today onwards we are going to start our new syllabus in S3 MSc Electronics. I am going to take robotics. Okay. So basically in this subject we have 4 sections which introduce the robot arm and different sensors and its applications and programming languages, and we have four modules in that. First of all, we discuss the introduction to robotics. Actually, what do you know about robotics? Okay, let's first see what you mean by a robot. Robot comes from the Czech word robota. Did you hear it? Which means servitude or forced labor. As a part of definition, we can say that robot is a branch of engineering which involves the conception, design, manufacture and operation of robots. As in the syllabus, we can follow a definition: a software controlled mechanical device having sensors to guide one or more end effectors through controlled motion in order to manipulate a particular task. What it means? A software controlled mechanical device. Software controlled mechanical device, and have sensors not to identify, not to respond different parameters. We require different sensors. And how end effectors. What do you know about end effectors? Actually, an end effector basically the last part of a robot arm which handle the objects. For example, if it is a pick and place robot, there should be fingers for that particular robot arm. It will pick the object and place on another location. Okay. So coming to the definition: a software controlled mechanical device having sensors to guide one or more end effectors through controlled motion. You can control the different motions by using the software actually, and not to manipulate different tasks. Every robot works for different tasks. Now see the basic diagram of a robot arm. You can see the base, links, joints, and finally an end effector there. And this is the concrete part of a robot. We can basically divide this into 2 sections. The accessories can be divided into 2 sections: a manipulator section and an end effector section. A manipulator section involves base, links and joints, and finally the end effector, that is the part that generally handles objects, makes connections to other machines or performs required tasks. What about manipulator? That is the main body of the robot and consists of links, joints and structural elements of robot. Right. Now we also have some other definitions for this robotics. It is an art of designing, construction and operation of robot. Another one is robot system consists of robots, other devices and equipments that are used along with these robots. And robots were developed for going sophisticated and dangerous jobs by mimicking human action. Because in some areas humans can't work because of the dangerous situations. In that particular area we can utilize our robots to handle that particular job, right?